Anabia, your challenge starts now. Okay. Tell me about the houses.
One's house.
One's house.
Ten's house.
Ten's house.
100 house.
100 house.
1000 house.
1000 house. Okay. Now you have to put those sticks in the houses. Okay. Look over here. According to this number 2431. Put this number according to the houses.
1000, 2000 of group. 2000 of group. 2000 of
Okay. Okay. Two group of thousands. Okay.
400 group.
Okay. Four group of 100. Three group of tens. Okay. And how many ones are there? One. Okay. Now can you read this number?
Yes.
Okay, read according to sticks, okay?
2000.
2000. 400 and
491.
very good.